Hey guitar friends, my name is Joe and welcome to Tools for the Guitarist. This is the place where I connect with guitar players from all over the world, whether you're just starting out or you've been playing for years. I've been living in guitar land for almost 5 decades. From small clubs to big arenas and thousands of studio sessions, this guitar has taken me everywhere. I've had the honor of working with some truly amazing artists and even a few legends along the way. But now it's time to give back. That's why I created Tools for the Guitarist, a platform built to share everything I've learned with you. Here you'll find some step-by-step courses, fun video lessons, powerful shortcuts and books designed to make you sound great fast. So have a look around, check out our lessons and books, and most of all, enjoy your stay. Let's keep the music alive and let's do it together.